Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Wizard. In the previous video, we discuss about the property which is related to circle, and in this video we will discuss about the property which is related to circle, and this property is the converse of the property which I discussed in the previous video. If you didn't see my previous video, then you will go my video section and you are able to see my previous video. So we discuss this property today. We discuss this property and also we prove this property. So let we start the discussion. Chords of congruent circle which are equidistant from the corresponding centers are equal. Means chords of congruent circles which are equidistant from their corresponding centers are equal. So here given that two congruent circle, two circles are congruent when their radius are equal. So two congruent circle, this is a circle with center O and radius R, and this is a circle with center O dash and radius R, and there AB is the chord of this circle with center O, and CD is the chord of the circle with center O dash, and they are equidistant from their center. Means OL is the distance between the center and the chord AB, and O dash M is the distance between the center O dash and the chord CD, and so OL and OM are equal here given, and also OL is perpendicular to chord AB and O dash M is perpendicular to the chord CD. We do construction both figure, join OA and join O dash C. We need to prove that chord AB is equal to chord CD. So we start the proof. In triangle OLA or triangle OMC, OA is equal to O dash C because these are the radius of two congruent circle, and when two circles are congruent, then their radius are equal. So OA is equal to O dash C, and also here given that they are equidistant from their corresponding center. So OL is equal to O dash M, and also OL is perpendicular AB. So ALO is equal to 90 degree, and also O dash M is perpendicular to the chord CD. So CM O dash is equal to 90 degree given. If we want to know that which congruence condition is used for congruence both of the triangle, then when we see the figure in a proper way, we are able to identify which congruence condition is used for congruence both of the triangles. So we see the figure carefully. In triangle OLA, AL is the base, OLA is the right angle triangle, AL is the base, OL is the perpendicular, and OA is the hypotenuse. So we use right angle, this angle, and hypotenuse OA and side OL. So both of the triangles are congruent by, in triangle also O dash MC, CM is the base, O dash M is the perpendicular, and O dash C is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So right, this is the hypotenuse and this side. So both of the triangle are congruent by right hypotenuse side congruence condition. So both of the triangle are congruent by right hypotenuse side RHS congruence condition, and we know that when two triangles are congruent to each other, then their corresponding angle and their corresponding side are equal to each other. So AL is the part of the triangle ALO, or CM is the part of the triangle CMO. So AL is equal to CM by CPCT से. When AL is equal to CM, when we multiply both LHS side 2 and RHS side 2, there is a no effect in this statement. So 2AL and 2CM. And we know that the property with the help property of circle, we know that the perpendicular drawn through the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. We know that perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. So here OL is the perpendicular to the center to the chord AB. So OL bisect the chord AB means AL is equal to LB, and we write that here that AL is half of AB. And in this figure also, O dash M is perpendicular to the chord CD. So O dash M bisect the chord CD means CM is equal to MD. So we write that CM is half of chord CD. When we cross multiply here, then we find 2 into AL is equal to AB, and here also when we cross multiply 2CM is equal to CD. In equation 1 we prove here 2AL is equal to 2CM. So by using equation 1 we write here, 2AL is equal to AB. So 2AL is equal to AB and 2CM is equal to CD. So we write with the place of 2CM CD. So both of the chord are equal. This is the required statement. If you like my video, please share my video, and also give good comments on my video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel also. And please, when you subscribe my YouTube channel, please click on all notification, because when I uploaded new videos, then you are able to get a notification on time. So we will meet, and if you have doubt regarding this property of the circle, if you have any doubt, so please write your doubts in my comment box. I will be discuss all of your doubts in upcoming next videos. And all of the theorems are important for class 9 CBSE class 9, which student who are studying in class 9. All these theorems are very important, which belongs to the chapter circle. So we will meet in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.